The well-known spiritual leader of Vrindavan, Premanand Maharaj, has expressed the highest level of compassion and a forward-thinking view on same-sex relationships. His talk has attained great viewership on social media, where he speaks directly to individuals struggling with same-sex attraction and their families. A thought-provoking question. In the video, a young man asks Premanand Maharaj, "I feel attracted to men, not women, but my parents are forcing me into a marriage. What should I do?" Responding candidly, Maharaj urges a man to avoid ruining another person's life by succumbing to societal or parental pressure. Why are you ashamed to share your truth with your parents, but not ashamed to destroy someone else's life and happiness? He asked pointedly. A message for parents. Premanand Maharaj requests parents to manage such situations through the prism of kindness and understanding. He highlighted the need for parents to be with their children, not to pressure on them to make life-ripping choices just to run after societal norms. Maharaj goes on to add, "It's the responsibility of every parent to know their child to do anything in the name of love that addresses his or her desire." An urgent call for truthfulness. Maharaj strongly advises individuals with same-sex attraction to communicate openly with their families. He cautioned against entering marriages under societal pressure, as such actions often lead to emotional distress for both parents. If God has made you this way, there is no charm in being honest about it. Don't ruin someone else's life just to conform to societal expectation, Maharaj stated. Promoting expectant sensitivity. Premanand Maharaj's approach has received widespread praise for addressing such a sensitive topic with empathy and wisdom. His message encourages society to foster greater sensitivity and acceptance towards same-sex relationships, promoting a culture of happiness and openness and understanding. Spiritual wisdom meets modern challenges. Highlighting the importance of self-acceptance, Maharaj says, "Whatever disposition God has given you, embrace it with honesty. Your worth does not diminish by speaking your truth." This highlighting perspective from a revered spiritual leader has sparked meaningful conversations about acceptance, empathy, and the need for societal change. Maharaj's video is available on the official Instagram and YouTube channel of Bhajan Marg, where it continues to inspire many. This report frames Maharaj's message as an essential societal discussion and promotes the need for compassion and openness in dealing with issues of same-sex attraction.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.